I've gathered up some of the weirdest hair gadgets you could possibly find on the internet, and we're testing all of them out in this video. Now, the first product we have is the Fading Culture Fadeify 2.0. The hair clipper barbers don't want you to know. Cut yourself a fade with your money back. As easy as swiping around your head. You literally have to swipe one time around your head and you're faded. I didn't know this existed whatsoever, but I put up a poll on Instagram and you guys actually voted for me to use this. I was like, what the heck is even a Fadeify 2.0? I looked it up and I'm like, no way. I call BS, but I'm just gonna go with it. No fading knowledge required. It takes less than 10 minutes. All type of fades are possible. If this is actually real, you could potentially lose your job. You know that, right? I really don't feel like it's gonna work because like, what about all the detail and whatnot? Boom! That's so weird. The bottom blade is actually curved. I'm gonna skip all this because they claim it's so easy that you just have to swipe. So I'm not even gonna read your instructions, bro. I mean, I like that there's like a little beat to it whenever you turn it on. I'm gonna f this up before I even use it. Why am I kind of tan? Hey, I was gonna ask, do you want to fade? Literally, it'll take like 3 seconds.
For real?
Yeah. I got this like Fadeify 2.0, and it's basically just in one swipe, you're supposed to see a full fade. You want to see what type of fade they get?
I know my baby.
You're down or what?
What do you mean? You fix me up? Man, how could you go?
I got the Fadeify 2.0. You're good.
Okay, on my way.
Okay, peace. You ready? Okay, yeah. Can I go high? A little higher?
Nah, hell no, nah, don't do that to me. That feels really high. Oh my god. No.
It looks fire, it looks fire. Come this way. Oh my god, this is so bad. Look at his hair. Okay, is it that I don't know how to use it or? Oh, it looks just like the pictures. Remember I showed you? What the Let me put on the guard. Dude,
oh, you didn't put on guard.
This is to test out the product. It's not gonna go bald fade like how they were promoting. No. Okay, wait up. Honestly, F this. I'm gonna put out the highest number. Oh, it's so bad. It just literally, it's like a trimmer line, bro.
Trimmer line?
Yes.
All the way over here?
Yes, so bad. Like, check this out. We're gonna try it on a crap ton of bulk. You see all this? I have to break it to you guys. Does not work. I kind of like angled it and I was trying to like make it seem like it actually works, but no, by all means, it doesn't work. Fadeify, Fading Culture, you're ripping people off. $100 for this? No way, bro. All right, guys, so we're back and it's time for gadget number 2. I'm just saying, if that was the first one, imagine the other ones. This is gonna be insane. Okay, now the next one is Earwax Magnifier. Let's go over the video. Earwax remover tool. So you have to download an app. That's what I'm getting off this video. So you basically stick it in your ear and you can see everything that's in there. That's insane. I'm literally gonna be able to see everything inside my ear. I really wish I would have cleaned my ears before this. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna download the app and we're gonna see if this actually works. All right, so we have the actual magnifier right here, or whatever it's called. I can see the little camera in there. There's like a little lens in there. I wonder what else you could actually do with this. What are you trying to get? Oh my! Oh! This is... No way! Bro, no way! Arlen, we can't make this shit up, bro. Why am I the only one reacting like this? Oh my! Bro!
What the f is that? Is that a rock?
Bro, no way!
I think it's a rock, way.
Oh my god, this is actually insane.
I can hear.
I can't believe you actually got something that big out of your ear. How do you feel getting that out of your...
It's good.
Wow.
Throw this shit,
In the restroom, I asked it. This is... That's insane. Did he... Oh! I don't know if I touched it. All right, guys, now this definitely works. I've never seen the inside of my ear, so for me to actually be able to see it on here, on my phone, is actually ridiculously insane. Like, gosh, it actually... Like, if you had something stuck in your ear, you wanted to see if you had wax or something, this could definitely help out. So yes, 100%, I would definitely buy this again. I would. All right, now the next gadget is the Flowbee, and I'm currently on the website.
Do you hate yourself and your family, but hate haircuts even more? Looking good, Steve.
So,
trying to look fly as but not get
no, no way.
so
no way this
easy.
is on
Even the
TV.
mentally challenged can do it. You the man, Rudy.
It basically just sucks up your hair and it cuts it. That's what I'm getting off this.
All right, hair's on point. Now I'm gonna go lay some pipe. So
No,
I'm in the
This commercial can't be
Move, I
freaking
know.
real.
The Flowbee Precision Home Hair Cutting System. We suck.
This is probably the most savage commercial I've ever seen in my life. All right, so that's the Flowbee for you guys. Let's test it out. I'm literally about to go catch some ghosts, bro. Like, it literally looks like the Ghostbusters cold. All right, guys, so we have our Flowbee right in front of us, and you have to have your vacuum on. So if you want maybe like an inch off, then you go with this. Or if you want more than an inch, then you slap this on. Yep, you just lay it on. So, all right, so I hope you guys can hear me, but we're about to try it out in 2, 1. Did it actually cut? Why is it not cutting? Oh, it did cut. Was it off? I'm not gonna lie, that was a complete fail. I was expecting more from that commercial that we just watched. Was it worth $250? Hell no. No, that commercial was literally too hype, you know what I mean? Like, it hyped everything up. It's not what it is. If you don't care about your hair, definitely cop this. Yo, bro, can you give me a review on the Flowbee? Suck, man, the f was that shit? I'm telling y'all, this thing was complete trash. The next gadget is this Bonnet Dryer attachment. Easy to use, lightweight, convenient. I don't know. I have no idea what this is. But basically, it looks like it diffuses your hair. Why does this girl look like the you ever seen the guy? Oh, if you guys have ever seen that video, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, okay, right off the bat, I am so skeptical. Like, what in the world? It's supposed to be a diffuser, and like, I'm supposed to end up with curly hair. It's $6.99, and basically you're paying to look like a fucking Teletubby. It doesn't hurt to try. My hair is actually super straight, so if this actually curls a little bit, why not? This is the way the setup is supposed to be, and then I'm supposed to lay this on my head. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Oh shit, it's all in my ears. That look weird? Okay, I'm gonna put it on heat. I can see why you could be like on your phone. It's getting hot. It's getting hot. I can't hear anything though. Oh, because I had it on wrong. That shit was gonna float, right? What? Curly hair? This is nothing close to curly, bro. Look, all I'm gonna say is you're not gonna use this. I'd rather use a diffuser and just leave it there for a little bit. I know I will actually get a little bit closer to wavy hair with a normal diffuser, like the Dyson diffuser, instead of this. So I would say this is a fail. The next product is this automatic hair braider. And I'm gonna say right now, I don't really think this is gonna work. Press the button and it's automatically braided. I really don't think it can, because if you've ever braided hair, like it takes multiple different like steps and whatnot. And for a simple device like this that costs $20, I don't think it's actually achievable, but that's why we're here. We're gonna give it a shot, and I'll see you guys while I'm testing this out. Let's go. I'm gonna wet the hair and then section 2 parts, and then we're gonna see if it actually works. So, and then I'll just turn it on, and it's supposed to braid my hair. So let's see. How does this work? Okay. And then do we? It's actually working. That's so sick. Look at that. Can you see it on camera? That's insane. It actually works. All right, so here we have proof that this thing actually works. I didn't expect this to actually work like that, but I would definitely recommend this one for sure, 100%.